Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a PayPal me link. First, you need to go to the PayPal account and then you need to go to the create PayPal me payment link. Click on this option by scrolling down. You can see this option of grab your link. Click on grab your link. Then they'll tell you to log into your the account. Then log in into your account and they will take you to this page where, as you can see, I have my own ID here, but I have already created the ID, so it won't create another ID, but you will be able to create one after getting logged in. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.